Affiliate marketing is one of the best, if not the best method to make money online. If you're not taking advantage of affiliate marketing, you are missing so much. Hey everyone, my name is Tony Omari, and today I'm going to talk to you about the best affiliate marketing courses to make money online in 2020. Stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, make sure you click the subscribe button so that you don't miss any time I post videos like this. So let's jump into the video and talk about the best affiliate marketing courses that you can start today to make money online. The courses mentioned herein are from complete newbie to expert, so you won't miss your perfect choice no matter the part of the journey that you are right now. So even if you're an expert or a beginner, you'll find your best course in this video. And a word of caution: only pick one course at a time and focus on what that course teaches. After you have learned and mastered what the course teaches, you can check another course to sharpen your skills and crush your competition while making money along the way. Before we dig into the best affiliate marketing courses, let's cover what is affiliate marketing. According to Wikipedia, affiliate marketing is a type of business that pays you commission per sale, product or services that you make. You find a product you like or believe in, promote it, then profit from each sale that you make. That's basically what affiliate marketing is. So there are so many affiliate programs that you can promote, like for example, you have Apple, you have Amazon, you have eBay, and your favorite affiliate networks. So you can promote anything online and make a killing doing that. So let's talk about the myths about starting an online business in general. That is affiliate marketing. Number one, building an online business happens overnight. So if you thought that you'll make money online overnight, it won't happen through affiliate marketing. The next one is generating online income is easy. Simply because this is an online business, it does not mean that it will be easy. You have to dedicate some time, effort, and a bit of money in this business. The next one is starting an online business is free. Like any other business, you cannot start a business with no money. If you have no money, get a normal job, then work from there to build your dream. The next one we have, you must quit your job to start working online. Like I said, you don't have to quit your job to start working online. You can work part-time, then after you are comfortable quitting your job, that's the time that you can quit your job and work full-time. Passion alone is enough. How many times have you heard that you can turn your passion into profits? So many times. I have seen so many marketers cheating you that you can turn your passion into profits. Well, that is true, and I don't disagree. But some of your passions are not profitable. Like, let's say that your passion is watching a movie. How will you make that profitable? Making money online is not impossible. There are so many people who are making a killing online using the power of the internet. So that is it about the affiliate marketing myths. If you are excited about the best affiliate marketing courses, make sure you drop me a like on this video so that it helps me reach more people and help the YouTube algorithm. So give me a like, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. So these are the best affiliate marketing courses in 2020. The first one in the list, we have the Affiliate Bootcamp. This is a course by Russell Brunson from ClickFunnels, and it is completely free to join. So you don't have to pay anything to join the Affiliate Bootcamp by ClickFunnels. And basically what it is, you have only 100 days to turn your hobby into a full-time income. What you'll be doing, you will be promoting ClickFunnels itself. ClickFunnels is a sales funnel software that is used to build landing pages. So you are required to promote it and make a full-time income within 100 days. These are the pros of the Affiliate Bootcamp. It is completely free to join. Number two, you'll get free access to the $1 million funnels. These are the funnels that have generated millions for fellow ClickFunnels affiliates. You'll get access to the Facebook community. You'll become a super affiliate in 100 days only. If you want to feed your family with nothing but your affiliate commissions, and you only add 100 days to turn your hobby into a full-time career, what will you do each day? Basically, each affiliate will give you a game plan of how they can build a full-time income within 100 days. There are over 40 super affiliates who will take you through this challenge and share with you their game plan. The next one, we have Internet Deadset. This is a product by John Crestani. The best part about this program is that you can get started today with only $1. This is how it says: start working from home today without any experience, technical skills, a product or audience. On this page, you can see this is John Crestani, and you can get this book today for only $1. Then you are required to pay a recurring $40 each and every month. And this is how the sales page looks like. And John Crestani shares his story. And that is it basically. And as you can see, there are thousands and thousands of successful students. This is just a portion of the successful students who have taken the Internet Deadset course. These are more success stories from the Internet Deadset. More and more success. So you can sign up today for the Internet Deadset for only $1 and get access to the community. So if you're interested to learn about affiliate marketing in 2020, make sure you check out the Internet Deadset today and join today for only $1. I'll leave all links in the description, so join the program that fits you. The next one in the list, we have the Wealthy Affiliate. Yeah, this is how the Wealthy Affiliate looks like. And the next one in the list, we have Wealthy Affiliate. The best thing about Wealthy Affiliate is that you can join for free. The free membership is available for only 7 days, so you can join for free for 7 days. Then after that, you are required to pay $49 a month. This is basically what you're getting when you pay for your membership. And here is why you should join with the affiliate. It is completely free to join. You can host up to 10 domains. You have keyword research tool, free keyword research tool just like SEMrush or Uber Suggest. We have the Las Vegas incentive program. That is, if you make 300 sales in a year, you'll get invited to Las Vegas and hang out with fellow super affiliates. The trip is completely fully paid. Hotels, accommodation, everything is paid for. And it is the largest affiliate marketing community, boasting over 2 million members. You'll have direct access to the millionaires who are the founders, plus other successful affiliate marketers. And Wealthy Affiliate has been in business for 15 years, so they have a proven track record, and they are thousands and thousands of successful students just like me. And this may seem a bit biased, but it is not, because Wealthy Affiliate is where I got my start online back in 2016. But actually, I don't make most of my money from Wealthy Affiliate, but this is where I learned about affiliate marketing the right way. The Affiliate Secrets is a course created by Spencer Mecham. If you don't know Spencer Mecham is the #1 ClickFunnels affiliate. They are actually a bit related with the Affiliate Bootcamp, as Spencer Mecham will also share his secrets in the Affiliate Bootcamp of his game plan in 100 days, what he will do to become a full-time affiliate within 100 days only. So this is the Spencer Mecham course, where I'll be teaching you everything about quitting your 9 to 5 and build a full-time income from home. These are the modules: your game plan, that is structuring your empire. Then you have module 2, finding out buyers, who got the money and how to find them. Because if the people don't have money to buy your course, how the hell will they get your course? The next one, we have the traffic legend, the meat and the potatoes. The next one, we have make more, spend less, the value proposition. This will teach you how to spend less and make money on the same. The next one, we have automation. Then the next module, we have automation templates. This is where the fun begins. The 6th module is about the products. So what are you going to sell anyway? The module 7, it is the long-term business, so that you can sit back, enjoy and ride the last module is creating a team. After you have already built your business, it is the time to create your team so that they do most of the hard work for you and you just sit there and relax. So that is it about the affiliate secrets. The next one, we have the super affiliate system. The super affiliate system is developed by the same person, John Cristani, but it takes the traffic to another level because he'll be sharing with you so much about the paid traffic and free traffic method. That's not enough. He will also give you ads credit. That is real cash that you can use to advertise your business. And he'll also give you buyer data so that you don't have to guess about while you are paying for Facebook ads or YouTube. So that is what you'll get with the super affiliate system, and it is one of the best methods that I've seen of people making money online. These are the only courses that you will pay $997 US, but the best part about it is that they are all one time, so you won't have to pay anything even for updates. You'll also get future updates and anything to do with the program. So that is it basically about the best affiliate marketing courses in 2020. If you have any additional courses that you want to be added to the list, make sure you comment below and give this video a like. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is getting serious. You mean we got this far and haven't subscribed yet? Don't subscribe if you don't like money. Yeah.